Good morning. So I wanted to do this video. I did a video based on the Integra Type R owned by Bill. He's the 86-year-old that owns the Integra Type R. This is the owner of the Integra Type R I was telling you about. No one's going to believe you're 86. After that video, I did a follow-up video that said, I'm interested in doing something for Bill. We want to clean up his car. A whole bunch of response. I'll cut right to the chase. So many people said, hey, I want to be a part of it and I want to donate some money. I was originally hoping for just one company to send us a check for, say, $500. But the fact that so many people reached out and all want to be a part of it, and I thought it would be more exciting to kind of bring you guys in for the ride. If you donate, and I'm going to put a feature on here, I'm going to set it up, but it's called Super Stickers, and it's basically where you can donate some money. And this is going to be for this cause for Bill's car. I'm going to call him here in a minute. It's still early on Saturday. I'm sure he's home and he's going to be up. I want about $500. Everything else we'll donate. We'll donate the labor. I'm going to give in 2 full days, 2 of us, 2 full days. So if you know shop rate at $90 an hour, we're going to go 2 full days. I'm going to donate that and odds and ends, whatever we need to do. And if we can use the money you donate for parts, materials, if I can bring Sean in to polish it, if I can make that happen. If not, I'll do it myself. I want to do something special for him. I think it's going to be really important. And then we'll bring you guys in for the ride. So look out for the feature that's called Super Stickers. And whatever you can do to click, even if you donate $1, it's much appreciated. And it is for a good cause. Bill is 86 and his wife is 84. I mean, this is just like dirty everywhere. It's just, I mean, it's cool to see him like this and it's sad to see him like this. Type R floor mats. Well, when we fixed the distributor, I gave him cost on the distributor and cost on the spark plugs. Don't worry about the squeak. Yeah. Look at that. And charged him 1 hour's labor. I think we had probably an hour and a half in it with 2 of us, so that's 3 hours. But it's one of those things, you know, I'm not a big businessman. I'm not here to make every nickel and dime. Sometimes giving a little bit more comes back tenfold. In fact, not sometimes, almost always. Give 110%, you get 150% back. So let's get this feature set up. Let's call Bill and let's get this thing happening. But find that little feature in there. Really appreciate it. We'll give you all the mentions we can. And if you are a company, let me know all about your information. I'll put it up there. And anything that you guys give, I'll try and give back. So let's get this thing rolling. All right, fingers crossed. Hopefully this works. It should be up. It's 8:02. All guys get up early. Hopefully.
Hello?
Hey, Bill?
Yes.
Hey, this is John at LHT Performance.
Yeah.
Just a quick question. Want to see how the Type R is running?
Seems to be doing pretty good.
Okay.
Got no complaints. If it has any thing that I'm noticing, it's because it's got old gas in it.
Okay. Well, listen, I got a question for you.
Sure.
So I put a video up on my YouTube channel about your car and fixing it and wanting to do some more work to it. And I had a whole bunch of people that are interested in basically donating some money so we can do a little bit more to your car and get it cleaned up, make it a little bit nicer. I was wondering if that would be...
bizarre.
You know what? There's a lot of good people out there, and a lot of people are basically inspired the fact that you are still driving a Type R and enjoying it. And I think they want to be a part of it. So I want to donate the time and see if we can do some, you know, some fix up for you. Basically, you know, go over the maintenance, polish it up, clean the interior, bring it back up to speed and make it a bit more enjoyable to drive.
Yeah. As far as I know, the only thing I'd like to get done on it is I had talked to George about putting a new fuel filter canister in the front.
Yeah.
It hasn't had one of those in quite a while. I actually thought that was what was causing a problem.
Yeah, I mean, it's very likely if it hasn't been done in a long time, but if it's something you'd like to do, if you can bring it to us, I'd like to clean it up. We'll replace the fuel filter. We'll flush the gas out of it. We'll put some fresh gas. We'll do all the maintenance. We'll clean the interior. We'll clean up the engine bay. We'll make it look. We'll make it look $1 million bucks.
Is there anything you can do about the valve cover?
I'm gonna take care of that valve cover too.
Yeah, I can get over there. What's best time for you to get over, for me to hook up with you?
I tell you what. Do you wanna drop it off Monday?
As far as I know, that sounds good.
If you can drop it off Monday and just give me 3 days, I'll have it turned around and I'll have you excited as can be, and we'll do a video on you picking it up.
Awesome.
And this is no charge to you, Bill. We're gonna take care of it, and the viewers are gonna take care of the parts.
Sounds good.
So
I will bring. I'll see you Monday.
All right, sounds good.
Bye, man.
All right, Bill. That is awesome. I didn't know how he would take it. You kind of feel like a little awkward, like, well, why are you doing this? People don't do this. There must be something in it for you. There's got to be an ulterior motive behind it. And sometimes there isn't. Sometimes it just happens. There's good people in the world. There's people that enjoy this. I'm telling him 3 days. I really only need 2. So George and I are going to cover 2 full days on this car. I'll cover the labor. If I can bring Sean in to pay him to polish it, I will. He's not going to do it for free. He's a one-man band, so he's not going to come for free and polish it. But if I can do some kind of deal with him and just kind of tip him and help him out a little bit, some of the money you guys donate, we'll put towards oil. The gas, we'll flush the gas out of it, clean the engine bay. The valve cover really bothers him, so we want to fix up the valve cover, make it look. I mean, I'm excited about this, and if Sean can't polish it, I'll polish it. I know how to buff. I'm not very fast. If I have to work all night with my little buffer, I can polish. It might take me 10 hours to do what Sean can do in 5, but we'll see how it goes. But if we can just give this thing back to him and it be a wow, I'm excited. Are you excited about this? If you see that tip jar, not the tip jar, the super stickers, go ahead and click on that. Realistically, if I can get about $500, I think we'll be good. I'll put in the rest and we'll make it happen. But it's Saturday right now. It's 8:06, and my family still isn't up because nobody's texted me yet to say, hey, where did you go? My wife wakes up and I'm not there. If it's not a weekday, she texts and goes, where did you go? And there's only 2 places I go, either the shop or on the way to the shop. So go ahead and click on that super sticker. Whatever you do, I'll try and give you the information on Instagram too. I'm going to put a post on Instagram. And another little side video I just did on the spare last night. There was a guy playing a guitar in the middle of the intersection, and I felt inspired to give him some money. And I'll put that as a quick video too, because I was like, this guy's playing a guitar, and he's got a tip jar out. That guy needs a tip. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to that video. It's going to be called like Bill's Integra Type R restoration or something like that. I'm going to start making some notes about this, but I am stoked. This is like one of those goofy things that I'm so into. I even talked about this to George because I just get these crazy ideas in the middle of the night and wake up and write it down. I write it in the notes on my phone, and then I look the next day and I go, oh yeah, that's right, I wanted to do this. All right, I'm excited. Let's get going on this. It's going to be a separate video. This is a give us some money video. This is the click on the super sticker or the super chat, whatever it's called on YouTube. This is for you to generate some money so I don't go broke doing this. My accountant thinks I'm crazier than what I really am. It's probably not far off. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video for Bill's cleanup Integra Type R. This is going to be great.